Welcome to HPY's manufacturing plant. Today I'll be bringing you through some of the upgrades that we've made to our inside series. As you can see behind me, we've made a lot of changes to the outside, but there's also a lot of changes on the inside. So let me bring you through those changes from the outside to the inside. We've integrated a unique U-shaped design. This allows us to separate the electronical controls of the machine with the computer and software algorithm equipment. On my left, the cabinet is made specifically for the electronical controls. On the right is where we keep all the equipment for the computer as well as the software. The AC cooling unit has also been improved. This is to ensure smooth operation of the machine and to allow for proper cooling with the electronical and computer components of the machine. We've also upgraded the dust outlet. Through the new and improved design, we're able to more efficiently extract dust from inside the machine. The inside series is now more user-friendly. While the control panel is in the same location, we've integrated a mouse next to the keyboard to make it easy for the user when operating the machine. The ore enters the machine through a vibrating feeder where it goes along a short belt. Once it's transported by the short belt, it'll enter into free fall. We have camera imaging located on the top and the bottom. This allows for dual-sided imaging, which creates a more complete image to ensure the accuracy when sorting the ore. However, the most unique thing about this machine is that we can also add an XRT X-Ray sensor, allowing us to sort more ore types, more difficult to detect ores without taking away from the accuracy and efficiency of the inside series. Identification accuracy has also improved. On an imaged ore, we can now detect characteristics as small as 0.1 millimeters, which is the same as the width of 2 strands of human hair. We've also introduced segment technology. Segment technology allows us to identify each individual ore, which not only increases the accuracy of detection, but also increases the processing capacity. At some of our current projects, we've deployed the new Insight series and seen an increase of around 30%. Traditionally, changing the air jets has always been a tedious process. If something goes wrong with one of the air jets, you need to stop the operation of the machine and spend hours fixing one air jet. However, now we've made it so the air jets are separated into pieces, very similar to building Legos. One piece has 16 air jets. If there's a malfunction with one of the air jets, that piece can be removed from the machine, another piece can be replaced quickly within minutes, and the faulty air jet can be fixed in the workshop without stopping the operation of the machine. Thank you for taking a visit to HPY's manufacturing plant. If there are any other questions regarding the Insight series or how we can transform your process flow with sensor-based ore sorting, please don't hesitate to reach out to us and we'll make sure to get back to you as soon as possible.